Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the history of Basecamp, a popular project management tool. I'm sure many of you are familiar with Basecamp, but you may not know who created it. So, without further ado, let's get started. Do you ever find yourself feeling overwhelmed by all the different tasks you have to keep track of? Or maybe you're working on a project with a team of people and you need a way to stay organized and on top of things. If so, then Basecamp is the perfect tool for you. Basecamp is a web-based project management tool that helps you stay organized and on top of your projects. It was founded in 2004 by three friends, Jason Fried, David Heinemeier Hansen, and Carl-Henrik Svanberg. Basecamp is a very popular tool, and it's used by millions of people all over the world. It's a great tool for businesses of all sizes, and it can be used to manage a variety of projects, from small to large. Who created Basecamp? Basecamp was created by three friends, Jason Fried, David Heinemeier Hansen, and Carl-Henrik Svanberg. Jason Fried is a serial entrepreneur and the co-founder of 37 Signals, the company that makes Basecamp. He is also the author of several books on entrepreneurship and productivity. David Heinemeier Hansen is a Ruby on Rails developer and the co-founder of 37 Signals. He is also the author of several books on Ruby on Rails. Carl-Henrik Svanberg is a business executive and the co-founder of 37 Signals. He is also the former CEO of Skype. Why did they create Basecamp? The three founders of Basecamp created the tool because they were frustrated with the lack of good project management tools available at the time. They wanted to create a tool that was easy to use and that would help them stay organized and on top of their projects. How does Basecamp work? Basecamp works by creating a central hub for all of your project's information. You can add tasks, milestones, files, and discussions to your project, and everyone on your team can see and access the same information. Basecamp also has a number of features that make it easy to collaborate with your team. You can create chat rooms, share files, and leave comments on tasks. What are the benefits of using Basecamp? There are many benefits to using Basecamp, including it's easy to use and learn. It's a powerful tool that can help you stay organized and on top of your projects. It's a great tool for collaborating with your team. It's affordable. Who uses Basecamp? Basecamp is used by millions of people all over the world. It's a great tool for businesses of all sizes, and it can be used to manage a variety of projects, from small to large. Some of the companies that use Basecamp include Apple, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, IBM, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. How can I get started with Basecamp? If you're interested in using Basecamp, you can sign up for a free trial. You can also learn more about Basecamp by visiting their website. Basecamp is a powerful and easy-to-use project management tool that can help you stay organized and on top of your projects. It's a great tool for businesses of all sizes, and it can be used to manage a variety of projects. If you're looking for a project management tool that can help you get more done, I highly recommend Basecamp. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Basecamp, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.